Now I invite the representative of the United Nations Watch.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. UN Watch acknowledges the several steps taken by the Laos PDR to advance human rights protection, including laws banning the use of corporal punishment on children, attempts to combat trafficking, and laws to protect freedom of religion. However, questions persist over the effectiveness of these steps and continued human rights violations in other areas. Firstly, enforced disappearances persist. Where is Sombat Somphone, abducted from Vientiane Street in 2012? After 13 years, his family still has no answers. His safe return must be secured. We urge Laos to ratify the Convention for the Protection of All Persons from Enforced Disappearances and to conduct immediate independent investigations into all cases. Secondly, Laos placed 150th in the 2025 World Press Freedom Index. We called on Laos to align with ICCPR obligations and to safeguard journalists, human rights defenders and peaceful critics from punishment. Decree number 238 on associations, the cybercrime law and Penal Code Article 117 on propaganda against the state must be repealed. Thirdly, the death penalty remains for several offences, including drug crimes. Laos must promptly declare a moratorium, as is called for repeatedly in the report, and commute existing death sentences. Fourth, due process and detention conditions must meet the Nelson Mandela rules, guarantee the presumption of innocence and access to independent legal counsel. Finally, anti-trafficking efforts must be transparent and victim-centred. According to a 2024 US report, Laos identified relatively few SEZ victims versus the reported scale and classified almost all removals from SEZs as labour disputes. End this practice and hold perpetrators to account. Without swift reform, rights in Laos will continue to fall. People will continue to be trafficked, families will continue to be without loved ones who have fallen victim to enforced disappearances, and people will be unnecessarily killed. The government of Laos PDR must act today. Thank you.